bleed is the space added to the outside of a printed document that will be cut off during printing. It is added to allow artwork and page elements to reach the edge of the finished page. This means that when you create your book interior and cover, you must add 0.125 inches to each side of the page to create the bleed margin. Your final file's page size should thus be 0.25 inches wider and taller than your selected book size. For example, if you're creating a 6x9 inch book, the interior page size should actually be created at 6.25 by 9.25 inches. When adding images or elements that are meant to extend to the edge of the page, they must extend beyond the trim size to fill the bleed area. Once your document is submitted to the printer, the bleed area will be trimmed off, resulting in a 6x9 inch page. This ensures that there will not be a white border around the image if the page is not trimmed perfectly, which can happen due to slight variations from press to press. The same is true when creating your book cover. You will need to provide a single cover spread PDF containing the front cover, spine, and back cover. To include bleed, be sure to add 0.125 inches to each side of the document. For example, if you have a 6x9 inch paperback book with a 0.5 inch spine, your total document size would be 12.75 by 9.25 inches. All of Lulu's provided templates include bleed, so if you start your document using one of these templates, there will be no need to add additional bleed. Safety margins. It's also important to use a 0.5 inch safety margin on both your interior and cover files. Not only do safety margins enhance the aesthetics and readability of your work, but they also ensure no important information will be cut off during the trimming process. While trimming along the bleed margin, slight trimming variance can happen, so it's important to place any text or important information within the safety margins.